You searched how to assign tasks in Outlook 2025, so open Outlook and click the Tasks icon on the left side navigation. If Tasks is not there, the To-Do icon opens the same list. That brings up the task list. Click New Task in the top ribbon, or press Ctrl-Shift-K if you want the faster way. That keyboard shortcut works in almost every Outlook window, not just here. I'll click the button so you can see it. A blank task window opens and the cursor is already in the subject field. Type a subject that tells the person exactly what you need. I'm typing Send Dana the quarterly report review comments. I put Dana's name right in the subject because I like the task list to show who is on point without opening it. Vague subjects get ignored and assign tasks with no context are worse. Now click Start Date and choose Today. Click Due Date and choose this Friday. The due date is the part that shows up on Dana's task list, so don't leave it blank. Now here's the step most people miss. Click Assign Task on the top menu ribbon. The window changes instantly and a To field appears below the subject. If that To field never appears, you did not click Assign Task and you're about to send yourself a personal task. Click in the To field and type Dana Chen. When Outlook shows the matching directory entry, select it. I always pick the entry with the contact card because Outlook autocomplete can grab an old personal address. This is where the assignment actually gets its recipient. Then check the two tracking boxes. The first keeps an updated copy on your task list. The second sends you a status report when Dana marks it complete. I always check both because that status report is the whole reason to use an assigned task instead of a regular email. Now click Send. Outlook sends the task request and the window closes. You'll see the assigned copy in your own task list with a small assigned icon. Two things usually come up right after you send it. If you need to change the due date, double-click the task from your task list, edit the date, and click Save and Close. Outlook asks if you want to send the update to Dana, and I click Yes. Go to Sent Items next. The task request is right at the top. If Dana tells you she never got it, this is where you confirm it actually left. If this helped you send the assignment, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.